Jenny, Deputy Minister Trade, era the for Samson and he at us if you just bring nothing so Brashibi Jenny, era Collins at the Maconso at Nasiwa. Samson. What has come up with no minister on the fixed cement in Namusi Standards Authority for M1 Mona more weedy out and more improve on that. Then about out of that.
Mamatia motive for you know. Titru wood for Moshe and pay. Na I'm say on my young and I teach me. Na give me dear. Na say be at the papa as all bonabas. Now be a bonnet soil. Now what a commanding. In fact, I was now more good time paying for. Mabas. Even though some of my kind, and ya reflected holy. But the first of Munya, I grandpapa. No more statement about how to say. The short dollar now, the way I perform like CDs on the way, now one didn't know Abano. And the Yantitilia Masono. That in itself, patriotism, good leadership, or more the good. Now, several years say cement, more aquos. Several years, Obia qualify for price reduction. Aquos. And your committee are responsible for pricing of cement. Ghana Standard Authority, or more Director General, and or chairman of that committee. You were GRE for also. You were a more producer cement, Chamber of Cement Producers, or more executives, or more so. And I were minister, no rep, so I was. And therefore, Crocombisia, because you are raising matter seriously. In fact, we could do body crana cement crane.
Wow.
Last week, I mean, this weekend, I'm body. I supply a friend. Retailers no more. Retailers no more. Not as a munya cement in it. And last month there were issues with Klenkana or more import ever from Egypt side. No more stories, but maybe a story in Americana. You hear and say you bring cement at the affordable price. Now a commensurate with the current prevailing strong performance as CD no appreciating. And 4 o'clock commission. Whatever the results no. Because we have made it clear to them say there's no justification for increasing cement as we speak. Because major about 60% of more cost the cost of clinker. What I say? Clinker also the dollar na eden. And that. Dollar also na a from. Into which mechanisms no the factors are more considered and now two other say one and say two more. The major one the cost of clinker and how CD no perform. And to me no, I want to believe say by the close of a new meeting no, you better baby papa free. Chamber of Cement Producers now. Okay. Yes. So but sir you know say we would out so more a produce inferior and fake and substandard cement no. You last 2 weeks or so and yarukutu nkwala 350. Okay. On by monitors. Over Kaya say sorry. Okay. Yarukutu and Crofo 350. On by inspectors. Over Kaya so hotel cross that. Young Kola no why I say standard authority for about check his case.
Why just here?
Not just say hey.
No surprise is no matter. On by his skill why adjusting. Into
one I don't know could catch beer. No more. And when Sabre Kurano, I was say meter bia ebo fie bia no I was say standard authority certify
omo wa
filling station pumps say it ma just enti no I was say yeah but nipa na ombe say adwuma no enti no ya fa nipa 350
but this is another source of employment permanent a secretariat responsible for these feedback to act on it
enti ya wi a na minister be share president now our money dates
this is so good
na omo commission omo nyina Koforudua police training school
okay
hono omo wi Saturday no anti ene date every omampanyin ho no mankasa akọ commission na ye do mako all the regions ye be distribute omo into all the regions
it should be permanent
yeah permanent
it should be a secretariat headed by somebody permanent omo no because
let me say omo work under Ghana Standard Authority
what we say problem ba COPEC for dankana mo enya many omo kosa routine check major stations no omo say later bia umbazo bubu can writer there's a 10 liter whatever I say ubu wangalo na eyema no almost 50 or 60% that time of the filling stations in omo to be army that time
yes in fact even Koforudua here almost started training no and almost omo ye experiment kakra station me mo need omo ko che no and I just know just say you mean me do am entiase
too much
and he was forced to pay 25,000
this is so good
what you say and no kura no aduma on buy kura be
a lot of revenue yes you
and sir President Mahama le ma ye to so mienu and she papa odi abai ebi ni ne ye kan what you say na be call na say any de say ye say na be ya ukoto fuel auto petrol 1 gallon wa won yan the real liters na won yan na enya wo de
okay so you can we na you can the other side na what so Mahama is the
hope
for
Ghanaians all Ghanaians
because sikasem
adoma ko ti here owo power hwe ne na setena mu ne yesiti
ne
okọ position hwe se ne ho se ai o se ne ho ai
for me kan afi aba they are hopeless no
hopeless
eba to was hope sikasem agina
yes
hope and our driver for say
omo so
hope edwedi for kra we say
yes
hope if we say an adwuma we e kwanja be
350
abeda honom
yeah target 2000
hope if we say adwuma wura and also etu
adwuma
hope if we say any ya streamlining a gold front no the cocoa board
gold board aba
the hope
support to Ghana cities
hope
o man me say oni ma dinti ma da bia pounds no ho den pa dollar na all over the world ye use and so dollar no ntimi emiti pounds oni ma de
okay chemu
yes UK gold o mo wo no gold reserves o mo wo no e wo kini o ne palace wo no enti da bia no o mo wo gold a o mo de ye de support omo pounds no enti na da bia no na pounds no ne ho ye de no
okay
so with the coming of gold board no
and no be
city no se anu city no e di hene
it was a hope na makani na wati gold board yesi kasem ejedi 40 omo no so petrol agina eye adwuma wura and then so body 350 abe wo so da bia na
yes
they are hopeless I say helpless
spokesperson ya o kasa positive na o wie kura na o de negative na ebe mu no o de kasa na mintie wie
yeah you make me o waka ya bo
your papa spokesperson ya o de ko ye waduma no
Mahama
is the hope so hope sa hopelessness bia ma
e fa bia
masa ko wanim straight
mama kade ka bebe kanu
bibia sa ni ho
okay so mama twa adwini si ne wa bi so agebe ti bi aboa ama gidie na wie prayer even though mu ya ban si talk ba ko mi no bi ho
yes
dey di kai continuous termination and revocation of legitimate and legal appointments.
I don't think it's a legitimate legal appointment.
Let me hope. I think you
I don't think so because chief of staff, the directives, no, he was specific. Say, Omua, yeah, 4 more after 7 December. I go through normal processes, no, and I affect you. In fact, heads forever out, ever can say. So I'm for me now. Helpless. It was some okay. Are you, oh, I said, maybe so. And I hope some are working now until the chinchilla was open negative. Adom.
Hey, what was I saying?
Maybe so. Some Yano, Mommy Dinsa, Yano.
Horrible Collins.
Yano, I
don't come in.
I don't know why you're oh, and it's a can see the someone. Almost say, Trump, and 10% tariffs, and now other baby arsenal, and I see the dollar no. I wiki.
Only say that global.
What is it? Every
and your membership Jinano, your control say scale of 0 to 10, your control with my 0.111%. And that is when Tia Master see the no a young dinner, who go 5 standard factors there, a US dollar now, a week into the control. And majority of and I may be so said. Beside Adom said dollar don't call for more. Pounds on so I do 16 no. Last 2 months, now 21 cities too. And also, and also about 16 cities, no. Euro, you see, I have 13 points. Something. As I said, we did 2. As I said, almost say, Trump the tariffs now. One introduce no, and I must see a dollar no. Now what you are for? Now Trump or your president or UK. Trump and all the European Union for all do almost. It is a Trump introduce tariffs now. That's a effective cities now. I didn't think that a dollar now. I didn't think that still pounds no. And also I depreciate against city. All right, you did say BB cost we are say.
Huh?
You did say BB cost we are say.
BB cost we are say.
Share BB S share BB free maybe count the plus and the minus. You did say cost.
Certainly.
Yeah, part of that we are.
Certainly.
Until they
say, oh yeah, say I no bo eswate. I wa mansan dwaso. Ase say, sika dodo ana ese sakoto oil no. They say I want high kwaka.
And until na efin na koye say sustaining the gains that this government.
Oh,
aitimi anya no. Yes, re onyame say.
Amen. What can you pa? In fact, another first time but this way program now I can someone attach me can attach my kuma. Say Yakupon mum, Aya Adom. Now, you met my country Ghana phone and say, oh, President Hamamu. We are not joking, we are serious, we mean business. Omuya, I will shrimp, oh, President Hamamu. Now, because of measures, why introduce you? President Mahama introduce you. I am a finance minister. Any governor more implementing it no a better sustainable
okay
Emma approval sanctity in the business sector I'm obiet my plan that is forecast 6 months I don't say na me no amma niam ebeton so no etimi atete so yebeto aba no anwa gallon yellow
1000
ko 4 gallon
1001
1002
1001 1002
and 680
ebi ubenya bi 590
me da say what is here ayi emo ana yeton ebi 650 and about 400 something.
Okay, so mama tell the oche say
now when na amafo no say abana e tree no there is something happening in my Ghana obi a person say what is going on ayi aban papa.
Okay, you jitu say aban papa na aba na say the musical sustaining the gains yen atofo bi o meton na mo jifam ko no o ma sha say my pressure say yen tete enoma so
yes
me see mon twen kakra if you say ye hunu bi pay o de ahomte e be kwa akote ebo no so nji uto no bra wo kodi dwa amana ni no wo ko fa nkoko aba wo 40 liter container o de wo ko fa no na dollar ni gina e bia so
okay
o be ba no na dollar ni gina ebia 13 and
What's happened?
Iti ama ye GDA say ye tete ene
mo so a legitimate concern
eno ti oba ha dwerifo ko na kase
o we te yes ya agutafo no yes ya agutafo no omo eka nsema woken now o hwa omo ka kire say even wholesalers no mateto mo ne man so na 60 days no mo kan ye no eye time a by 60 days no na sa reduction no na reflect bia but ebi mo start ebi say awon ye ken who so mateso mo mateso but say ebe ye holistic no 60 days no because when you say consumers are rational people it is oh man what say awon no beton no 1.2 now they open for so abnormal profit now the market say obeton dey 600
no problem is it
what when they say they will come and buy you adomako be call edwa buy 5 times about now that so at someone but we you say adomako ton 600 now the market name who you be compared to and something na good afon can say omo can say about 60 days na here you omo ma deadline but omo say we shall cycle now by the time I be do 60 days no na e kire say I reflect ba bia ma ne mo mpesa mo tete so no na ya setting na so
okay so
what you say on say anything na wie ene ayi GPRT phone say say by Saturday aye 24th on reduce by 15%.
Yeah
about so can for another almost can say almost leaders so order say almost 10 years.
Okay, so don't also forget say who enjoy a certain goodwill and grace period. Anna also enjoy a his 70 no dem baby akra no munye because Ghana for do not to say aban bi anano da office no nyoma bi ni ye bi ni hihye bi odi ku agom no e so ye me ni dodo na fe e home kra yi iti dem baby bia no munye ye mfa for now the slogan no ye nti se dogo bi no abe but bu dura mo busumi nsia ni mu wia na fe na mo se Ghana for se mo ye ni yi anamo anyi ni but ye keka kone de
o ma he
ambeba the keka kone de for now
so far
Mahama continues to be the hope
so far
for every Ghanaian so very good
but when you omo na omo ka say omo suro say bia ye ti so na e tena na ko ye say obi o wa Canada no ohun sunsun na no dwane but Dr. Baumia o kai say o ka kire say wa chi dollar
akoshim
adi akoto prison wo
the padlock asi echiri
ama o di kin ama hwan
IGP
ama dollar no break jailer ne konchi futuro kura ba hu
Honorable he body for so much of first
that is some dollar ni tani yama je say but me hu konchi futuro o sha mani na ni Ghana
oni ari hwe de timi ma ewie program na de
what is that no o sha mo onyame ko anka bobo biju akume ba so wo ha na o ti Ghana ha ana ba onya kaza enti o mo kaza za o mo dey sa concern no as they are legitimate concerns o raise but o mo nya didi o president Mahama
yes
o man anya Mahama enti say ba onya
all right okay you but oh adwako
o man ne mecha
mejo so
mecha ahwefo nyina mecha me senior man
your beautiful constituency
yes mecha me senior man o share parliament bia ya wa encourage me you know although you were different political
parties
to me for tell me your opinion
say ya papa
ayo maire then there Mr. Bodi o se wo na ye pia e ma abai o ma hima ye hunu
man ka so ye pia
o se pia o ka sempa o sa da
idiomatic
ba oroba hi o ama me kama sem
na wo please
me gitum say I'll be a spokesperson for any government at any point in time and yoma all you know at this point,
sir,
you cannot run away from these three factors. One, destiny. Two, good appreciation of it.
Okay.
Three, GPRT for no more Megaka, a Jumaura. And the fantastic area, a high in a 350 a quantity. So wonderful.
Yo, my head covered us at tea.
What did I say?
Only trying to go. Oh, my head covered us at tea.
Alright, nobody show that here. Nobody show that
here. We have selective amnesia.
Selective
amnesia.
Oh, the basket.
I said, you can selective amnesia. They no.
And on work. But the current so the worker so far.
Galam say the wanka.
Oh,
pacho. No so kasamete. O kasam open you o kasana my din na me show.
And the
up to now 5 months Mzamama buy no. You chose the of person o kan ho asem.
The Ghana for here pa so muti isi kasem adwuma kwanya.
Ghana for person beti Galam say. According to you, Ghana for one person beti Galam say.
Ghana for person beti isi kasem.
Ma pacho, Adom me Ghana ni.
Okay, koso wadaro.
Me Ghana ni. Person beti Galam say asem.
Illegal
mining. Me person me take Galam say asem. And the one come
selective amnesia.
Amnesia. Also Dr. Baumia can say be. One to say Domama before the election and this worker say double track within 90 days on me yefio. The chairman of the party Accra said within 90 days they will change double track. And that's another the current minister Naka. Also until 2027.
Double track.
I'm in America.
Are you a Jew?
Yes, what's that Busan?
What can
me pacho.
What can I?
Who spokesperson so I can.
Hey, you might be the Mukuni power hole. The day some how call it way
school dancer na see you. What's
that?
School dancer na see.
What's that? Baumia can say na sasa. Na so who dey o kan na sasa.
It walk us through the defects are so fast 5 months are buying OCBC that work us.
Galam say kwade see kwade airtime.
Ain't me more than more days no.
Hey,
5 months.
Oh my jai.
Be fair to
me see, dey fair. O dey jai PR asem no. Ene dey yakasa o ye PR o dey jai. Galam say.
Do I mean you no.
No, Crusher ain't me more than 8 years.
You are talking.
It is ongoing.
Me pacho.
It has not stopped.
It has been used. Technically.
What down?
Go to Safi.
Go
to Safi.
Oh, what they pay move you. What they mean to be more by more.
Look at that.
That was any possible. But it goes to cost.
Abuso can say man take me ana the west what the
no that say many obi ko see feedback no say mo be try mo ntwa udi dominance
I just say tigra
it's not true it's not true
now in the same one
and 8 years and I'm about
that one it is agreeable.
Yes, how can you say I time?
Adom say the cost Galam say the cost it's worse.
It's not true.
Oh,
it's not true. It's not
true. Send your musical something now.
I don't know and I'm ganja. Who you PR? I'm ganja against me.
There is the whole
there be no kasa man kasa.
Because I don't know you to be. I don't know you to be. That's how the way I will behave.
Baby, the way you behave. You're selective analysis.
Yeah, me person o magana for tia say. Boss sha o money share say within a specified or specific day, we say within a week. It takes only a government that is weak. I don't even call a galamsey.
Okay, so his point he was making about Baumia can say me and I'm
see.
No more than see.
Oh,
on Galam say more than see.
No, because I say, yeah,
among the key solutions, river gas. Water gas, river gas.
Now, we didn't
exposing them to danger.
To reclaim and see, I will what it in the Tiagu Mana. I say, huh?
Omo catcher say,
I mean,
Omo catcher say data, the cost of data. Then Omo catcher,
Sam George.
Then Sam George catcher. Sam George is the most expensive. About better so. Every time you last week, guy was starting going to the time.
First selective amnesia. Acknowledge the good things they have done before you urge them on.
Okay.
I
was also expecting him say after acknowledging the good things they have done. 4 years.
4 years mandate.
If you have a 4-year mandate,
4 years
mandate, acknowledging the good things you have done, you should have been magnanimous enough to also accept say when na say nkonye.
Topic na head man who guy.
Topic ben.
Topic. Topics na okay ono na buy now na oye bi ya de na o kan abo ya de na bo
o buy ye wo de e o de e na o kan wasem o man acho enra o light let's say
me mom de maka o ekosi sense after 4 p.m. biano e to say bobo enso iron enso fan enso bibia. Why are you interested in the negatives?
Why is he also interested in just the positives?
Masa, I
don't get it. You have to tell mine. You have to see it. It took you 8 years. You couldn't solve these issues.
Then they say yes.
But how can you say just 5 months? No, me can't analyze bubu. Me fa ko say this before.
So you want to blame Akufo-Addo for Ubobo say say ah.
Na mo ye.
Your man is out here.
Man is sticking to topics now. The man.
You cannot.
How can you deviate?
No, you can't.
No, because there are topics.
The positives in this government.
Yeah.
You didn't mention it. And I'm saying you were selective.
Topic in yourself.
Okay, so
and I'm also giving you
the
what
city and Guta and DPRT.
Topics I see and canon. DPRT you are that's young canon.
All right, let's be fair to him. Okasa ya na otisi moto we rough no we
what they also positives on one. And I'm saying say positive no.
But honorable ya twa adwesi anye say all the time say
he was just dwelling on the positives. And he first, but is it the first time you have to first? Okay.
Debbie.
So what is so strange about it?
The percentage.
What's I'm sorry,
15%.
Take your time,
2022, 2016,
now because I'm going to be there. And
the course is
50%.
And the course is I know 1.8 million difference.
And the boy, so this is not the first time I first 15%. It's been done before.
But appreciate the time they find themselves in and they streamlining the challenge.
Look at that. Look at that. Spontaneous score.
But that's what I'm
saying. Educate country.
What's your test so 15%? Fantastic, many are there. Me again, but it is not a novelty. It's not something that's not happened before. It's an idea peculiar to your government.
That I know.
It's not peculiar to your government. What's your problem? Am I in call other station? Am I in me? No one for me a businessman. No be a pay $100,000. It's only 1.5 million.
1.7.
Pacho.
One more time. 1.7. No, Mammy can. Mammy Gabi. Okay, 1.5.
Money.
And then sign the pana 1.3.
1.2
difference.
1.2.
That is significant. It is very good.
What it is so?
I'm going to $1 now from the I'm excited about. Why shouldn't I be happy?
The Bonsama.
Oh, Miss my basso, our baby, and not primary come awesome. So, on my idea, say about from the question is the sustainability.
The gains.
Say, a best sustaining for a very long time.
It will because of mechanism.
You spoke what I was saying. I am acknowledging the point I'm making is mine. It is significant. I didn't say $1 with a Syria. Then the same dollar now with Kotoyan, because USA, OTC, oil conference, me come in because now dollar. Me buy me fee aboche buy me no go say me Kotore. Because
what is it?
Yes, me lose because I think me here less cities to buy the same amount of dollars I'm the coin. Me Ghanaian. I should be happy about it. But I'm hoping say it will sustain to December. And the businessmen, no, absolutely. Yes, I acknowledge. Whilst acknowledging, say, well, something has been done well. No, I also have the right to say dollar now above no. I must increase electricity by 14.4%, 5 to 7%.
That's true.
Shouldn't I say that?
That's true.
Now, that's
no what?
There's a reason why there's that increase.
Oh my God, Patrol control me, boss man. Whilst acknowledging, say, dollar no.
Because 15 minutes.
I want the ban.
I'm excited 25 minutes.
But my hand, you do fear dollar gain na minya no.
Yeah.
And I'm say me demo no. O ma increase electricity by 14.57%. It's not every man there me talk 20 cities and I say 200 cities. Say no. Dollar gain no. E dey cause ECG.
O ma shut time no. Wakasa 25 minutes.
E dey cause ECG gain.
Shut time no.
You get the point I'm making? It's whilst you are gaining on the value of the dollar.
The robbing Peter to
absolutely. What's the waffle?
There's a reason for that.
Oh, which reason?
There's a debt. I was just
that was you are doing well in one aspect, but you are putting everything into other aspects.
You are not regulating the time.
Oh.
Make us 15 minutes. I can 25 minutes.
No,
25 minutes. 25 minutes.
Maybe 25
against 15 minutes. Maybe try. Umbese mekase bia ma no so nko.
Okase obetimi akosa.
Honorable and or your experienced politician.
Oh.
Umbese mekase bia ma no so nko.
Me boss no. It's in whilst I'm making some gains.
Yeah.
It's even a person $4,000.
Yeah.
Let me here 16,000 to buy it. I feel they got 13. It mean here 13,000. Me not 3,000 difference. Me do fear na say they be am talk full 1,000. You see, hey, me talk electricity 1,000. You see the 14% of account.
But do you know the
so I have to increase
you know the president now believe and has always believed in paying realistic prices in terms of our tariffs. On energy, you know.
Patrol. I'm not talking about realistic prices. If now you are telling me say NDC for say
that is John Mohammed's His Excellency believe.
So the realistic say tariffs no cost
to meet efficiency, reliability, and all those
fantastic.
things.
So now me talk just last month. Now me talk electricity be at 2,000.
Yeah.
And then by the 14%, they say pay 3,000. I am saying that difference, no.
Ah, who save you $1?
Save you $1. So where is the gain? I'm robbing Peter to pay Paul.
You
are talking about their 16 5 months government. And no about the appreciation of the dollar. And I say, I am there. Me say GPI to force
it's good news.
Oh, and then good news. And then the constituency of Monfort. But some constituency now or 10 cities if you go on my ever commercial. I say about better so if 10 cities about 6 cities. Some the constituency now so no 30 cities for the electricity. They say 60. It's again here or do you know the could away. That's the point I'm making.
Oh, now we are deputy minister for and no me.
Now mommy does
you. What of them sir to make it point.
You are just interjecting me.
When they been just been
issue about standards are very important. I'm just hoping say group here or the Omobe and get the same picture we saw at the water gas. Because water gas nobody should tell you say they can't do the job. And I'm just hoping say okay.
And we are there Also, the candidate, Omo Yenipa. Omo Yagana for.
Then water gas. You move begin to go so case na no ka be my further explanation.
I said one can be o. O say. Nkrofo hu omo no. Hu omo a they can't do the job.
They can't do the job. I'm telling you. Why don't you look at what they do the job?
And omo for
of the tax. A 15-year-old man omo ko
there's a scope of their work. Maybe you deceived that.
Yes.
By virtue of looking at them physically. And I feel so the other aspect of exposing them to the dangers of this business. That's why we think.
So
apart from Sabi, Obi or community, because that's free Kenya as na by two. A former good deal with you and the informants they come the Navy or whoever is responsible. But that informant requires a man in uniform or you're exposed to danger. Because people will see who that informant is. Into your own situation, you might not be there. Into a danger for him. Number two, it be aging so. On say that occasion on call for no.
And explanation when I want it. Explanation how the man I know it. Man church.
So say
the camera for the believe you.
That's what
I will believe.
I don't want to do all the cast. And you now the older man.
You made a very interesting point about Pam Crawford.
Yeah.
Mr. Samson, he say
the directive from the chief of staff.
Sometimes he say,
chief of staff, they may one of the directive from the chief of staff.
The chief of staff say,
after December 7th.
Something be ready letter. Take your time. This is from the Ghana Water. Ghana Water. Dated 11th February 2025. Distribution, head office, chief managers, regional chief managers, unit heads. Directive to suspend all new recruits appointed in November 2024.
In November?
Yes. Listen to the letter. In November 2024, in complete defiance to the chief of staff's letter. This is from the MD of Ghana Water. And let me read the letter. This serves as a formal directive regarding the appointment made in November 2024. It has been decided to suspend new recruits who were appointed in November 2024 and posted to your respective regions who are not yet on the payroll. This is, no, take your time.
So there is a reason.
Just keep,
the reason is that you are not on the payroll.
But who told you? When you
go processing.
Who you teaching?
8 months.
Thank you. So stop what you're doing. Somebody's recruited. The point was we were trying to draw to the fact that one of the bad things that have occurred within this 5 months is the dismissal of recruiting. Also, I'm showing you a letter.
I will never sit here and say Ghana need be a pass through legitimate processes. Now you're engaging now because of change of government. You know, I will never subscribe to that.
That's what has happened.
No,
that's what has happened.
No,
that is what has happened.
Please.
That's what has happened.
Please. What was that? Okasa and
that's what has happened.
Sacrifice for November 5th, 2024. You know, your baba mukurano, or mu pay, didn't crank or payroll.
Because it takes time for you to go onto the payroll.
I am true.
Who told you? Who's our mind?
Ghana Water Company. Who's our mind?
The process is 6 months. Back pay.
No, Ghana Water Company. They do what?
They frustrate you, sir.
I don't true. When
Manima education. Coco crashes your Coco crashes. You have the floor.
This is the letter.
All right.
In fact, they were missing me and they were disappointing me. What disappointing me? Ghana Water Company, a company.
Yeah.
The Nyanu Kutua. The next month.
Adom.
Upeaba. And now buying says it's a process is a mine. And you say no. Before say by say Yarukutu no. Now on my budget, be everything I ready. And for you to tell me say yarukutu obi
November 20
December yentua January yentua February yentua ama April mumuna ye omodi no. It means they didn't go through they didn't go through the process and na ye did kutu omo. Enti na mo yes otherwise MD for Ghana Water Company cannot defy the directives by the chief of staff. What I say? Ghana Water Company MD, he cannot defy the directives by the chief of staff.
Yes.
What I say? Enti na ma okay na.
He started from November.
Enti na ma chief of staff okay yanso no ya hon because there is issue ebia in some people who win him. In some people who win him. Enti we metra han kan say because say chief of staff kan ya na when so issue is no different. I disagree with that. But why you winning? I'm before no. Oh no more can say man. Almost so. Nah, dollar no sort it has not reflected in our pocket. Who can say? You have to tell them also so. Yes, this is 6 months. That has been the argument.
That has not been the argument. That
has been the argument. I remember. I won't go on MPP. Only MPP.
That's no.
About dollar na baso.
You can't be here. I don't know.
My baso say dollar no appreciation is.
Discussion say cause who obi. And yeah, once and I can't MPP.
Also, you're not responding to me.
MPP. No. What I say? It is a who can say. What it is you must want. Almost all this all stuff. All stuff. This is the pretty. This is a cut down. What I say? Now Ghana for. You're patriotic. George for. Emra, Nima, Emcosoro pair. 3 weeks, yet you to your mumber 3 times.
In 3 weeks, you cry.
Then try me say 3 times. In a week. Over cock talk, but how a travel copy no. Near tomb. I don't know, you can say, you married a quarter. What I say? And yes, wrong. Yes, wrong, mopa. Guta, GPRTU. Where I was so kind. Sandy phone now. Almost taking effect. Almost 24th. 24th. Saturday bay. Anna, ever taking effect. Yes, wrong. Me tie, Kumasi for maybe no. Anna, now you can't someone to tell money muscle. Now, my back once more can say. And can better so. Now, me call or could this or fan near my. Na kasi kana ode ko no ya ntikasi kana so kasi kana ode ko fa asa ne ma no enu a na wo ho enti mahama on kan kire driver for no na omontete ebo no so wahu such a person no asem wo kan no cross no kan no
a driver for intimate take his decision na
very good
dem boy bia na isiaga
very good enti me am there say na ya sorry ya da be sorry ya GPR24 am official directives say 24th
25th effective 25th May 25th.
I want to say on e man so aboso come for a follow up spare parts dealers and a good afford already omo start what I say entino ni ebe ban say oman nu mu ani je beba oman ni mu Adom ko betumi apran for 6 months say me what 10 cities are met me the atade ways within 6 months are answer. And what we need to do na omusu ban na aye say o conforce o man bebo a onu so timubi mumpa ye nyina ne say obi kura tumi ka say next month city no ebe started at the PCT o bompa e boni we ko say that so na okotra akoka ayi mo mere na say o ko bompa ye. What you say? Oh, Adom boni way. Ya di wasi tell mama ni yeje. And then aye na bo humban. Mo pa boni say en say.
No, something me better my boss am pay na.
Wo kan kwa? Wo di you no bo pa say. And then say. What you say? Wo di you na kaza. Oh, wa hidden agenda. Okay. Me misra. Oh, okay. Me yedima.
No, so me bompa.
Okay, so
what's it?
You know, must see the next 10 minutes to wrap up. We'll be able for 5 minutes. Baba Menka say, Gan and Yahi. No, na oh baby, I want my woman. A BC, I will make door on the paper. I mean, be a man, I may control as a minister. It is
no program, no comment. Your program.
You don't take advantage when you come to my office to abuse me. That one I will not agree. Hey, what was that? Verbal abuse.
Verbal abuse. Now, where you from? Say, I said, I'm not over from. Who from? Say, I said, I'm not going to over from.
Ghana Horticulture Expo. On the 11th to the 13th of this June, rather 11th to 13th June, Accra International Conference Center, Basso Ghana Horticulture Expo 2025. We Ebeboama in you my four who do in terms of export opportunities. Federation of Association of Ghanaian Exporters, in collaboration with the Ghana Export Promotion Authority and Ghana Exim Bank, Fidelity Bank, Gesell for Agromont to the GIs, so or Master Quantum. Only Joy Business News, only of official media partner, Ladies Edgeways. Become open standard, can only say. Over friend number is 0243-457783 or 053-522-4555. Keynote address, no, His Excellency, the President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, and Ebeba Kasa El Asie. Ghana Horticulture Expo 2025, Growing Ghana, Exporting Excellence. Boji Mashibijani doubles as Deputy Minister Trade and a former Deputy Minister Energy, Member of Parliament, Efija Kwabre North, and many of Mobiwi and Commodore. Number that was a Augusto Jibra or Shana team. But text message you join at the same line that this is beautiful collaboration in terms of our politics. No? They are making sense and then at the same time giving friendly environment and meeting operating within. And almost about 16 messages now by Nana. You talk about how Omasi Eddie Omujuma and Anope. We don't even see the clear lines of partisanship. So that's it. Honorable, minute enum. Oh well, I respect that.
I'm from 5 minutes.
The Adawakuma should be out.
The Adamakuma son say Ghana for in Amon Pima President Mahama. Near Baby was starting no. And in Sri Lanka, at good President Mahama so. I've been Papa Kutano. Now, by ye, and I Ghana need be who said there's something going on. Our Ghana, positively. Even opposition for Kurano, I testify. Say, I should Kurano. Dollar no, about 2 and a year cost 17. See this $2. And then, who could take 12.845 Ubenya $1. What I say? Entino, ye bestre, and send a Mikasa medical can, ye bought good campaign for Basso. Say, and Mara was a na, I was on call on members, no more 10 years masono, or more, so patriotic, ever out. I to say, on members, no, ever just you know, Macano, at tomb. And ye best room, ye nim, say, a bin cross started at a 10 year muscle. But do na enye. And the best said they should listen to Omuri Desano. Again, GPR to the funds of the Aba. Say in a week's time no, on better so by 15%, all transport fares by 15%. Basana, Abama Adriano Bonside.
A beba form.
I could firm because Banchi had a free body. A
bonus.
Edaba Kumasino. Cassicano. Yatiso. Brodia every free body. Edaba Kumasino. Cassicano, Yatiso. A basana, or better spare parts, na Yatison soa, a bema, na Jumana or Yanosono, or yes, sir, or Benis Gaiden, Acomano, owner. What I say? Entino, yes, sir. Yes, sir, Ghana for you, no come home. Now I'm fine, Pabon tappers and Hamachi. No beer in a farm, dear. Or beer in a farm, dear, abandon yana farm, dear. But individuals, no, that's where you're from, dear. Never support near Queen. Send a bear. Amano, the beer better from na obi okwa ba tima kwaba obi a onya aduane eni otimi nya aduane ya den adi obi a ontimi ehwe ne ba school otimi ahwe ne ba school na basa na enye president Mahama ena obenya mfaso no
nyina
eye omani nyina enti ye besre mo bia mo mpae bone send nkrofo bi bo sampaye no ya mo mpaye papa ye bo ekwenkuta dwani mu a esu fra nyame a ya mo mpaye se o mai president Mahama nkwatenten na adwene papa na woni tirimu no ofa entrance nya dwuma na nanom gusa ya gusa ma president Mahama na se ne be yankramufo nso ye kɔ ala ya mo mpaye e ma president Mahama ani na ban no se ne be ya woni ma de ba kɔ president Mahama ya omanfo fi say subsidy ni ya nwede no o kan say obete ministers no so from 125 aba 60 no ai bi mo ya ho problem kra say ada na a shebo say obey sister oye 56 woni me aye service a president Mahama ya with disappointment no 56 ministers no 44 ana mo ya MPs only 4 and 52 no and come back here to Canada. Miti ya mini Adom akodi the same salary.
And your factory income was minimum. In a moment education you
52. And 52 of us. You know your MPs. Any additional cost to the state.
It is so be a new city.
Allowances be kaka.
Dabi something na baba dia. But say ya dia meti hey. Me start adwuma me minister officer obia ye MP salaries and ayeje.
Techima enough.
Yes. Minister for Trade. The salary I oje as MP and I audit him. Me meti me salary as MP and I'm intimate honorable Adom. They need the same salary. Now 52 no. Imagine sanka outside MPs and open to one. I can look at the cost sanka. This is the savings sir. President Mahama. Why? Now almost say ya don't koso. What you say? And on to come up you.
Mama MP cars.
Ministry cars. I about to 3 years.
And one would
me say me use 2020. Car you sell 2020. And I use the minister say when you know bia omo use car on 2023 or 2022 2024. What I say MP before omo 2 years. And I buy ya use. Salu you told me my
equity bonus and na so
2024 car on etoye.
2024
car on etoye.
Yeah ni.
Oh man, 2024
come after the equity bonus na
this is I fact.
Appeal back or dey
ban
and omo toye no.
What you say? 2024. One etoye car.
Mo be to be 2027.
Mo to be.
What does
sorry.
Oh, I'm
sorry.
Wow. Enti, ya besere. Obia emwa president Mahama. Na ye mompaye ma. Na o wadwen papa.
All right.
Ema o man no.
Okay.
Na bibia be ye.
Ayi kra.
Galam say, yenim say, I still a problem. But we are doing our best to eradicate Galam say.
All right.
Me metimaka. Say baby a me free no. A swat him. As against Emra, na Anana Kofado. And not about me. Let me conclude.
Manimra.
Finally.
The wife.
But your Tuesday, I said, Papa, Tuesday. Me again, because your mom pay my leaders. A good call. Tea. Me shame me senior bo say me so me bon pay dey me won me pay me boni different me bon pay say nyankopon me ma na hoden
why hoden
jo mama
okay magaza was
e ma na hoden na galamsey no say the air kosoro no
it be mrafo
me bon pay am jo mama say Chief Justice on person pam no
wow
o pacho o bon pay wi ma me mon
Chief Justice omunam ehyeya o man ma kwan say enye blanket
o man me pay me de obi an ne pay o bon pay wa bon pay a ma me mon me
pay bi o ya me
so me say me bon that be 5 minutes
that o kasa
me bon pay say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nyame nka na koma
nyame ndie we
na ma me no opese o pam no Onyai sa.
Nyame ndie we.
O man no na
Ebreniko.
Me bom pa ye say, o man ni. O light na wo say no a, eye pre
So number is 0503943 ****. Pay with the Roman Pope.
John Dramani. Say light more,
after 4. And you know from I want
me bomb pie say his excellency John
Thank you so much.
Anybody